Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Viewers, today we are going to share very unique, very tasty and easy recipe, that is how to make ghullab jamun. Let's start with the recipe. We are going to use semper dry milk. Semper dry milk, it's very good in quality as compared to Nido, etc. And we will use semper dry milk 125 gram or 1 cup or 7 tablespoons. We'll put the semper dry milk in a strainer, and then we will add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour or 25 gram all-purpose flour, and then we will add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and then we will strain all these ingredients so that we will not get any air or impurities in our mixture. After straining this, we will add a tablespoon or 45 gram of clarified butter or desi ghee, and then we will add an egg of a bit large size, and then we will mix all these ingredients gently, and we will make a dough from it. Then we will put it in a plastic bag to settle for 20 minutes. Take out dough from plastic bag after 20 minutes to make balls for the ghullab jamuns. Make balls of a half-inch size from the dough by just pressing the ball in your hands and then just rolling it with your palm, and you can apply a little bit oil on your hands. We will form the dough into small balls in the same way, just by pressing about a half-inch size balls in your hands and rolling them. Our dough is not so hard or not so soft, and we can make about 22 balls from the dough very easily. Fry them. Oil at very low heat. Add balls one by one to the low heated warm oil. Our oil should not be more heated, it should be low heated oil so that our balls can be cooked or fried from the inside as well. So when they will be little bit cooked, they will come up on the surface and we will fry them until their color is golden brown. After about 3 to 4 minutes, we can make the heat about at medium level. At medium level heat, our gulab jamun will take about 7 to 8 minutes to become dark golden brown. When their color will be dark golden brown, we will take them out in a strainer so that their excessive oil can be removed, or we can put them in a tissue paper taking them out to the strainer will remove their excessive oil. Now we will prepare the sugar syrup so that we can dip our fried balls in the sugar syrup. To make the sugar syrup, we will take 2 cups of water, and we will add 1.5 cup of sugar, one-fourth teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of orange food color, and a teaspoon of lemon juice so that our sugar syrup will not crystallize. Make the sugar syrup at one boil and then lower the heat, and then we will transfer all the fried gulab jamun balls to the sugar syrup so that the balls can absorb sugar syrup and we can leave it about for 1 hour. We can dish them out after 1 hour as the balls have absorbed enough sugar syrup. They are ready to serve with very nice and beautiful color and aroma. Very soft and juicy, and cooked very well from the inside as well. Eat it and enjoy it, and please try them at once. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thanks for watching.